Okay. So there's water in it. Mom, what do you think is going to happen if I take the water out? Is it going to be higher, lower, or the same?
Higher.
Let's see if you're right. What do you think? Higher, lower, or the same?
Higher.
She's correct. What do I do with this now?
Ouch, don't touch that.
I should probably take this off the stove then.
Did you hit me on?
So, spinning around. Oh wait, the camera's over there. Oh yeah.